So it's a 1970 White Chevelle with those blue wheels. So I'm gonna just do it as good as it is, and that's how you just want to open, and you will know it to do, and take it off, and you did it. And there's the engine. Look at that. So you don't really have to clean it, so sorry, I have to clean it now. So the engine has to be clean, and you know. Here I go, and you know engine, and here I clean it. Yeah, I cleaned it all, so that's good. So I love it. So just the tons of engine. So yeah. So I like that. So I like this Chevelle, but the thing doesn't have it. So look, I just spin that thing around, and that's it. So bye.